What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over a $25 one-up review. I'll be going over some different proofs with other people so that you can see that it actually works. And if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe, and also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. Alright, so here, guys, I'm about to log into my back office of $25 one-up. Today was a slow day for me today. I did a different type of marketing today. I really was focusing on my YouTube channel lately. So I've been taking like a slight break from promoting it, but not not promoting it at all. On my Instagram, I promote every single day. I run ads. I will be doing a video soon on how to run ads on this system and generate income. What I want to do is just do a walkthrough. Okay, this is the back office. Once again, this is where you get your products. Now, if you don't know about the products, guys, there's multiple videos on my YouTube channel that you can check out. You have the gold, platinum, diamond, elite, and enterprise. Okay, those are the levels you can come in at. Whatever level you come in at determines on how much commission you can make. You can earn anywhere from $25 to $1,000 per commission. If you want more information to this, the information will be below in the description box. But what I want to do, guys, is just really go over what this system does. Okay, so coming in, you have so much leverage inside of this system that any beginner never made money online could use these steps and these methods to make money fast. Okay, so you have the affiliate marketing cheat sheet. Most people, once they come in, they have no idea of what marketing is, what they have to do to make money. You might see people make money online. Okay, you might see a lot of ads of people talking about how to make money, but they never actually show you. But this system does. This system gives you all of the steps and the blueprints to being successful online. All right, you get the ability to earn 100% commissions instantly. So you don't have to wait to get paid. These commissions go directly to your PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, whatever processor you want to use, it goes to that. So this is the cheat sheet for affiliate marketing. All right, you will need this. You also have, if you like Facebook, okay, in a few, I'm gonna go in the Facebook group. I'm gonna show you some of the proof, but you have a ad copy cheat sheet that you could use for Facebook and run ads. All right, and there are different Facebook groups. If you don't know about Facebook groups, they're very powerful. You can join these groups and you could just post these copy and paste ads here that they are already provided for you. All right, so pre-ran ads here is for, people who don't know what to say, who can't come up with content. You could use these headlines. All right, let me show you a few of the headlines. You could use these headlines here that really create, curiosity. Okay, so when you are building an audience, you want to make sure that you are making content that is constantly having people asking you for more info. Because in this business, you make money you only make money by generating sales. So with that being said, you have to generate leads every single day to be able to make money every single day. So that's what a lot of people ask me, how do I make the commissions that I make? And I always just tell them, like, you have to be consistent. You can't post on your social media one day and then the next skip a day and then, do it again and do the same. You have to be consistent. You have to build an audience. You have to build a like, know, and trust relationship. Okay, people don't really just join businesses, they join people. So if they like you, they would join. Okay, if they trust you, they would join. So build you an audience. Start posting, motivational videos. Start posting stuff that relate being a millionaire to being successful, to being an entrepreneur. Start looking for people, like-minded people that you could share this system with. It's so many people on the internet, guys, especially at this time right now. So all you have to do is use these copy and paste ads, post them on your social media, add an image. You can add, different money images or, something simple that just get other people's attention. All right. Now you might say to yourself, okay, well, what if I get somebody's attention? I don't know what to say. Okay, guess what? Here is the inbox. This is for the response that when people are interested. All right. And you could just copy and paste this here. However you want to send this message, you could copy and paste it, edit it, put in some words, take out some words. But hey, I noticed you are looking to make some extra income. I can show you how I am banking 500 plus a week by sharing a 7-minute video. Watch this video here and let's get you paid today. And you'll put your link. Now I'm about to show you guys exactly where you go and get your link from. So let me come up and show you where you get it. So you will come over here to funnel pages and you just click on the funnel pages. Now these funnel pages are proven. They have got other members paid. They've got me paid. And I'm just going to show you a few of them. And then I want to show you some proof of other people making money. But I always like to share with the people that come in under me and, you know, other members that is looking to make more sales. This sales funnel right here is really gaining momentum, because what this sales funnel have right here is it has real member testimonials, and also it's just clear the easiest way to start earning daily payments of $25, $100, $250, $500, and even $1,000 commissions without those nagging monthly fees. Because remember, with $25 1up, there's no monthly fees, there's no hidden fees. There's just a one-time fee to get started, and you earn for a lifetime. So here, once again, they drop some member testimonials before the prospect even puts their information in to get another video with more proof and with more information on how they can get started. So this sales funnel just walk them through the sale and you get paid. So what I want to do is come over here to the Facebook proof. All right. Here is somebody getting paid, guys. 11 hours ago, $25 they got paid. Here is another person, $125. They made $275 already with this company. Okay, let's keep going. $25 today, $125, 25. That's a new mirror that just got started. You can make money fast with it, guys. Look at this, $1,200 made. And as you can see, guys, look at the date. This is up to date. This system really works. And look at this. This system really works. And you can just go through the group and see how much money people have made so far with this system. All right. It's no limit to how much you could make. You could set you a goal and go for it, because once again, you get paid 100% instant commissions at whatever level you decide to come in at. Don't focus just on the money, guys. Once you come in under me, guys, and join my team, what I do is show you my daily routine, show you what you could do to increase your online sales with this system. I've been a part of this system, guys, for a while, and it's still generating me income. It's still doing what it does for others as well, and it could do the same for you. So all you have to do is check out the link above or below. Wherever you see in this video, just get started, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Other than that, I'm out.